Well, the IPO market is improving after some headwinds towards the beginning of 2016. I am joined now at the Nasdaq market site in Times Square by Nelson Griggs. He's the Executive Vice President of Global Listing Services at Nasdaq. So Nelson, a nice rebound for second and third quarters. Were you satisfied?
Yeah, we're very optimistic. The third quarter is starting off to be very, very strong. Fourth quarter is looking good, so we're very excited.
So there were 10 IPOs in the first quarter.
Yeah.
37 in the second quarter and 42 in the third quarter.
Right.
Was there a certain sector that really shined?
Yeah, if you look at the strength in the growth stocks, particularly technology, it was exceptional. So the average technology IPO was up 75% this year versus the S&P up about 6%. And then we have seen a nice start, we hope, of energy deals taking shape with yesterday's deal with Extraction doing exceptionally well.
And some of the other notable ones were Acacia Communications, now up 350% since its IPO. PavMed up 191%. Also Nutanix.
Yeah, Nutanix, but they're a great group of companies, combination of healthcare, technology, and you've seen some consumer names. There's clearly a pent-up demand by the buy side to buy high growth names, and they're certainly executing on that right now.
So we're in the fourth quarter.
Yeah.
What should we be looking for there?
Yes, we still have a very active market for the next 2 or 3 weeks, combination of technology, industrial, and energy deals. We will take a pause then with the election, and we also have the timing of Thanksgiving. So you'll see November being a very slow month, but the last 2 weeks of December, or the first 2 weeks of December being strong.
So what are you hearing from companies about the U.S. election? Are they worried? Are they just sort of in this wait-and-see kind of mode?
I think it's more of a timeout for the market. No one wants to be on a roadshow during the election cycle, during election time, if there's going to be some unforeseen news come up or some gyration in the marketplace. So I think it's more, there's expectations on which direction the election may go in. It's not causing companies to stop their progress, but they will take a timeout during those 2 weeks.
Because we hear about, Hillary Clinton would be best for the stock market. Is that what you're hearing from these companies that are looking to go public?
Yeah, I think more so just during that time they would not be one to be on the road show. So their companies usually on the road for about 8 to 10 days, and when the markets are very volatile during those times, they would rather not be out there trying to price a deal or sell a deal. So there's going to basically be a quiet period there with elections going on.
All right, and that leaves just a few weeks in December for the rest of those IPOs. Does some of that pause sort of bleed into 2017?
Yeah, we think so. So usually, typically the first few weeks of January are relatively slow, and then we start to pick up deals to the latter half of January, February. March is always a very big month. So I think you'll see a lot of activity in the first quarter.
All right, Nelson Griggs from Nasdaq, thank you for joining us.
Thanks for having me.